How to change font on Gboard. First of all, you want to launch open the Gboard app on your device. Now, you have a couple of options here. Tap on the one that says Preferences. Here, tap on Font. Now, there are only two options on font. The first one is Gboard default and the second one is System default. So you can choose out of these options. Now, if you want to change more fonts, then you have to actually head over to your settings. Tap on the search icon and search for font. Now you want to tap on font style option. Here tap on font style again. You will get a couple of options here such as Samsung One and Gothic Bold, so you can simply select your preference. If you want to download more fonts, you can tap on the download fonts option. Now from your phone store, you can download different fonts in this way. Once it has been installed, you can simply head back and then select your preferred font in this way. And now as you type on your Gboard, this is going to be the font. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.